Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. And for a short while yesterday, I thought we were putting a double bottom in. May still materialize, but this red pin bar here, pretty much off a fairly strong level. I just want to put the next one in as well. So you can see there's my first swing low fractional, there's my second swing low fractional. So when you draw those two in, that is the zone that you need to pay attention to on the 8 hour. That's pretty much where we got to. As I said to you yesterday, we were looking for a pullback to sell into. And we definitely got the pullback, but it has been messy. So this is still very much in a messy phase, shall we say. So this is all driven by what's happening in Russia and Ukraine at the moment. So we need to be very, very cautious here. So we've got a tweezer bottom here on the hour. You can see there's our tweezer bottom. And then we rallied up into the zone, and then immediately the seller stepped in and sold off. Now there are a couple of things going on. The bulls were trying to break through that trend line as well, which also didn't materialize. I'm very, very cautious at the moment. So I haven't actually placed a trade this whole week, and it's probably going to continue today. I'm not interested in this right now. If we can just get some kind of decent rejection off a level, then I'd be tempted to jump in short again. But the fact that we keep going up and down like this, and sort of big up, big downs in the zones, in multiple zones, it just it breeds fear, especially in me. So I'm not interested in this. Definitely not interested in this. If we just look at the 15-minute, you'll see what I'm talking about in more detail. So when we did the video, we were looking for a move back up to one of these levels for rejection. We missed the first one. We got the second one. So argument, you could have taken a trade off there. It is kind of a pin bar off a level. Taken the short, but you can see how we're above and below the moving averages, and I hate trading when it's above and below the moving averages. I'm looking for structure. I want to see it reject the moving averages, stay below it if it's trending down, or stay above it when it's trending up. But this continual move backwards and forth above and below the moving average on the 15-minute is definitely, it doesn't help you sort of pick the right entries and get in and trust your entries. So I'm very, very cautious. I think if we had to look at this at the moment, I'm a little bit reluctant to be jumping in short here. I'm also a bit reluctant to be jumping in long. So I think I'm just going to sit back and wait for a better looking chart before jumping in on this one. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.